Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: compatible headphones or speakers, an up-to-date OS, and the app that supports spatial audio. First, enable the OS spatial feature and update audio drivers so the system can process positional cues. Once done, connect the device, wired or wireless, and pick the spatial audio output in system sound settings. This step matters because the OS routing determines latency and channel mapping. Make sure to choose the correct device and format so subsequent calibration works reliably. You now configure formats and calibrate for accuracy. Choose the spatial codec that both source and device support. Mismatch causes downmixing, so ensure Dolby Atmos or binaural compatibility. Next, set sample rate and bit depth to the recommended values to reduce artifacts and latency. 48 kHz and 24-bit is common. Then run the app or device calibration, test panning, distance, and head tracking, and tweak HRTF or elevation settings. Doing this refines localization so sounds map correctly. You finish by validating playback and saving the setup. Play dedicated spatial test tracks and listen for distinct front/back separation and elevation. Adjust gain and balance if needed. Once satisfied, save the profile, and for interactive apps, enable low latency or game mode to keep tracking responsive. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot and repair the hardware, then confirm the spatial format matches the source. If problems persist, reset the calibration and rerun tests to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.